Have dry skin, hyperpigmentation, and you're looking for to elevate your skin to the next level, you are in the right place, baby girl. You are. In this video, I'm going to walk you through doing the 4 step of Atomy product. Hello, beauties. Welcome back to Ven Beauty channel. My name is Vin. If it's your first time here, my name is Vin, and in this channel, we talk more about skincare, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and personal development. And this channel, we dedicate to talk more about skincare to help women and men to elevate their skin to the next level. And we do review about skincare. We do skincare routine, all this. Like, we have everything what you need. But don't forget to like and to subscribe this video. And if you're not following your girl on Instagram, go and follow your girl on Instagram, which is Veni Bwanga and Ven Beauty. And on TikTok is Ven Beauty. You see Ven Beauty on all the social media, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and I have my personal page as well. And don't forget to like and to subscribe this video. Let's go. See you to the bathroom to doing the skincare. Hello, baby girl. Today I'm walking you through with Atomy evening skincare faucet. And let's start it. If you're ready to take your skin to the next level, something we needed in our day off to pamper ourselves. Let's start. Here we have our Korean brand, which is Atomy Evening Care for set we're using today. And step one, we're starting with a deep cleanser. You just need a small amount in your palm. You put it on your palm. Your face can be dry or wet. It usually is dry face. And you start applying on your face, like massaging. And the cream is going to turn to milky and oil. And after, you can wipe it with the cotton and rinse it off. Like you can see what I'm doing here. And here's step 2, foaming cleanser. You make sure your face is wet and you wet the product and you start massaging your face. And yeah, like you can see what I'm doing here. Just massage your face, like take your time to massage until to the neck and rinse through with warm water or and pat it dry. It's recommended to use it twice a day. Twice. Our step 3 is the peeling gel. A peeling gel, we're going to use a generous amount of the product into a dry, clean face, avoiding the eye and mouth area. And leave it on the skin for 1 to 3 minutes. Then gently massage in circulation motion to sweep away the dead skin cell. Then rinse it off with warm water after you finish to. Our last stage is peeling off mask already applied and leave it for 20 minutes on my face, and now it's ready, done, it's dry, ready to get off. I'm going to start peeling it from the bottom and to up, and after that I'm going to slightly pat it with cold water, make sure all the excess is gone off, then follow up with my skincare in order. Thank you for watching.